Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and if you're a newbie, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're an OG, thank you and welcome back. So today I promised you guys that I was gonna come back and do a updated hair review on West Kiss hair, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm also gonna insert some footage of me on how I achieve the wet look like this nice wet look right here. So I'm gonna insert that video clip on how I achieve that with some water and some mousse, y'all. Some water and mousse, okay? Real simple, real easy. But I just wanted to come and let you guys know the deets on this hair and if you should go ahead and purchase it. So, what is this piece of hair? Okay, so that would be my first thing. It does shed a little bit, and I'm just assuming that's because it's curly hair and it's not straight. With straight hair, it's gonna probably be more attached to the weft. Curly hair, not so much. So it does shed, but not to the point where my wig is going bald. So, if that makes sense to you guys. But yeah, it does shed a little bit, and it's more so on the ends of the hair. Let me stand up so you guys can see the back of the hair. That. Dip. But yeah, this is the back of the hair. Okay, and this is the front. Y'all don't laugh at my on how I do my baby hairs, okay? Because I don't know how to do it, and my sister couldn't do it for me. But yeah, so this is how it looks with the wet look. I like to wear mine like this with a little behind the ear. Give me that. Ba ba boom. You cute. Okay. But yes, you guys, it does shed just a little bit. That wasn't a deal breaker for me, like I said. But just a little shedding when you comb the hair out. If you're not combing the hair out and you just going on about your day, it doesn't shed. I don't see like any shedding unless I'm combing the hair out. Outside of this wet look, I wouldn't do this hair without the wet look. If you're not trying to wear the wet look 24/7 when you wear this hair out, don't get this wig. Because if it's not wet, or if you don't put any mousse to it, you don't get this wet and wavy look, it is huge. The hair is poofy huge and like it's everywhere, you know what I mean? It does get that little dry look if you're not going for the wet look. So if you don't want that look, this look 24/7, I mean, then don't get this hair. But if you're trying to get this hair 24/7, which that's what I wanted, then you can go ahead and get this hair. So also another thing is the lace. You can wear your hair sideways like this. I'm a sideways part girl because I have a big forehead, you know. Rihanna got a big forehead, so you know that we blessed the girls with big foreheads. But if you want to wear a side part, you can wear a side part like I do, or you can wear a middle part. I prefer the side part because I like the more hair on one side look, and I just think it looks, you know, more better, more prettier to me. But the lace goes from ear to ear. You can literally part all the way over here to here. Oh, another thing is I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box on this wig. I did do an unboxing on this wig, so if you want the name of the wig and all the inches and all this stuff, you want to see me unboxing it, go ahead and I'll link a link to that video in the description box below. But yeah, I altogether really like the hair. I am thinking about going back and getting a straight wig from them to see how that works out for me, because this would just have to be a curly look. If you're trying to go to the beach, if you going to the Bahamas or something and you get in the water, this is the hair for you, okay? I'm trying to tell you, because when this hair is wet, honey, I mean just like wet without no mousse, just wet, it's just so beautiful. The curls are so shiny when it's wet. It's just like, I love it. Like, the wet look is just perfect if you're going on a trip or if you're going on a vacation. Let me put it to the front, back to the front so you guys can see it while I talk. But yeah, you guys, I really don't have anything super bad to say about the hair or anything like that. I mean, it's doing me pretty good. This is a 2-week update. I guess I can come back and do a month update on how the hair is doing, or if the shedding has gotten really bad or anything like that. I can do that for you guys. But as of right now, for this 2-week update, the hair has been doing me really well. And I really don't have it, you know, any complaints really. But yeah, this hair is from, once again, West Kiss Hair, and this is 24 inches. Like I said, all of the deets and all that stuff would be in the description box below. So if you want to go ahead and grab you one of these wigs, or you just want to wait until I come back and do a monthly update, that is totally up to you. But I appreciate you guys coming back to my channel, checking me out. I do have a fashion overhaul I uploaded. Go ahead and check that out. You guys liking my video and subscribing to my channel helps me grow. It helps me, you know, with the YouTube community, and how you guys doing this pushes me up there on that scale. So I really do appreciate you guys liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. And I do read the comments. If you do leave a comment, I respond to your comment, and thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.